fidget shop, come get your fidgets. Fidget shop, come get your fidgets. Oh, hi, what would you like for fidget shop today?
Oh, Fidget shop.
Yes.
Oh, I like mochi.
Emojis. You can pick other stuff. We have some emojis here that you want to pick, and some bike chain walkie tracks here. We got green and blue. Some key poppers here. Some fidget pads. Puzzle ball. 2 simple dimples. Monkey noodles. Some globals here, and some puppets. 4 puppets there, and some marble and mash and tacos. What would you like at fidget shops today?
Oh, mochi and couple.
Okay. Okay, customer. Here's your basket.
Wow, thank you.
Okay, now what would you like?
Mochi, yellow mochi.
Dog or elephant?
Elephant.
Okay.
Okay.
I can hold it for you.
Okay, gobble.
Gobbles?
Please, gobbles.
Okay. Which color would you like?
Green.
Green. Okay, good choice. Okay, just wait for a moment. Green global check. And what would you like next? You can get anything.
Monkey noodle.
Monkey noodles. Okay. You want purple, orange, or blue?
Purple.
Purple. Okay. Good choice. What do you want next?
Finish.
Okay, so totals are wait. You can. Today's your first customer. It's my first customer today. So you get buy 2 get 1 free.
Okay.
So it's you can get 3 more fidgets.
Team of Fidget. Mochi, mochi, mochi.
Okay, which one would you like?
Mochi, mochi, mochi.
Which one?
Maneerin.
Here. And more?
Skip away.
Okay.
And.
Oh, since you picked some more 3 emojis, I will give you some puppets.
Okay.
Which one would you like?
So
We
great.
have circle, rainbows, and galaxy hexagon puppets, and square rainbow puppets. Which one do you like?
Rainbow circle.
Okay. Is it all?
Yes.
Okay. So the total is let me see, 5 here emojis, 20. It's 25, and
May I get some discount?
sure. I think for $20. Oh, this is $24. Here you go.
I don't have money.
It's okay. Here.
Thank you. You're
Bye.
very kind.
Have a nice day.
You're very kind.